Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'm guiding you guys on how to make this simple block. So let's get started. Now let's work with the right plane. Now make this line horizontal. Let's add our dimension 90. We have this. Now let's add this arc here. Now let's add the relation. I click on this point, I click here, and I make it vertical. I'll simply add my dimension here. My radius 20. So I'll simply add a center line here. Now I can easily trim out here with power trim. There should be 10. Take it this way. Now let's add our dimension. Dimension here 10. From here to here 40. So we have 40 here. Here to here we have 60. Here 5. Here 50. 50 divided by 2, we have 25. So let's mirror it. I'll select this for my mirror entities. Mirror about, I select this construction line here. So I have this. I want to add my 3-point arc here. I'll click on this point, hold my control, click on this point, make it vertical. Dimension here 15. Now I can simply trim out here. So I have this. Now our extrude here is 50. So we extrude it 50. I want to use mid-plane condition. Extrude 50. So we have this. So I'll simply sketch on this face. I want to work with center rectangle. Yeah, this cutting here, we have a total of 50. 50 minus 20, so we have 30. No, cancel extrude cuts. So I will change my condition here up to surface. Now we'll sketch on surface. I'll simply use blind reverse direction. It should be going upward. So we'll have this cut. So let's add this cut here. I'll sketch on this face. I'll simply use a center rectangle from here. Simply make some adjustments. Ctrl Z, undo. Let me add center line from here. make sure it is vertical. Now my 3-point arc, 3-point center rectangle, sorry. So I have this. My distance from here to here, 6. Here to here, 6. Distance from here to here, small dimension. Distance from here to here, make it 10. So we have 10 here, 10 here. So I'll simply go to features, extruded cut. We have a cut of 35. So I'll make here 35. We have a cut of 35. So we have this. Now simply go to mirror. My mirror face plane, I'll click on this drop down. I'll select on front plane. Now for my features to mirror, my last feature, extrude cut 2. And I have this cut. So let's add this cut here for this circle with this diameter. I go to circle. We're having a diameter of 20. Go to features, extruded cut. So we have this cut. Ctrl 7. So we are done with our modeling. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.